Today's newsletter at joindamon.me. I have a weekly newsletter, fresh out the oven every Wednesday at around 5:55 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Vegas time. Today we talked about when to end a business partnership, as well as when you can't see the path. You cannot see the path. One of the things I talked about in the newsletter, and again, it's for free, so it's available for you whenever you want to check it out, as well as the archives, is that when you are on their path, it's easy to assume the path will always be clear. I give the analogy of the seasons, and right here in Las Vegas, it's most of North America, it's going to be the first full day of an only complete day of summer. Temperatures going up. It's going to be 106 today here in Vegas. And so we have one definitive day. I believe it's June 24th this year, which is the summer. That's when it's going to be the hottest ever. Not technically, but you know what I mean? We have peak summer. Then, of course, around December 22nd, 23rd, here in the Northern Hemisphere, and then we have the opposite. We have the full day of winter. But that means that the other 63 days out of the 365, they are actually somewhere in between. So that means the path isn't quite clear. There's only literally one day scientifically every year where we can say, yes, it's summer. Yes, it's fully winter. And of course, with the equinoxes, yes, it's fully autumn or fall. Yes, it's fully spring. But the rest of it is transition from spring to winter. Spring to summer, summer to fall, et cetera, et cetera. It just goes. Northern hemisphere, some lower or southern hemisphere, it's the same. We just happen to be on polar opposites of the same dance, but it's the same energy. Therefore, our ability to navigate what season we're in ends up being the strength, almost like the Darwin idea, or what was made popular in research, as far as the survival of the fittest. But the survival of the fittest is based on those that are the most adaptable, not just flexible, but adaptable, adapting to that particular environment. That applies to what we're talking about today.